Order! Okay, team, thanks for meeting me this morning. We've got a really rough one tomorrow. I just wanted to brief everybody on it. And as I've gotten the file, I get a call. Of all people, I get a call from Doge, believe it or not. They're coming over tomorrow to audit the team to find out if we have too many people working and check our equipment and everything. So be prepared for that tomorrow. Alex, can you take us through the takedown tomorrow of this property? And, looking at the file here, it's a no-knock situation. It's somebody that's broken into this brand new home and they're just basically squatting there. So we need to take them down. We've been authorized non-lethal weapons. So we'll can you walk us through?
Sure. Yeah, simple plug and play like all the other ones. We're going to enter in on the north side here. I need two of you to flank the exterior on the rear so he doesn't run out. Not sure if we're going to flashbang or not, but we'll decide day of.
Okay. And is that the only exit? Is that the only avenue for this guy to escape if we come through the front door?
Yeah, as far as I know.
Okay, so you want two of us on the side of the house. Two of us will enter in through the front door.
Yep.
Should we bring the canine with us?
Bring the canine, definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
In case for whatever reason he runs, we don't get him, we'll bring the canine.
Okay.
Back up.
Okay, great. Does anybody have any questions? No? It's pretty simple takedown. It's like, we've done them like this all the time, so it shouldn't be difficult at all. Okay, and I know you guys are kind of casually dressed today, so make sure you dress up appropriately tomorrow. I'll take care of the Doge guy that comes in, and we'll go from there. Hello? Oh, you're from Doge.
Yes, where's the computer?
Over here, come on. Over here to the right. Right there. Have a seat, do your stuff. You all done?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, well, looks like we lost two team members. That's what Doge does. But I convinced him to join the team. So he's going to join us. So we actually only lost one. But anyway, let's go out and get this guy at the house.
Oh shit! Runner! This way.
Let's get the dog. Let's get the dog. Let's get the dog. Hey, let's get the dog. Go find him. 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 Go. Go find him. Go find him. Go find him. Release. Go find him. Go find him. Go find him.
She's hitting. She's hitting.
She there? Okay. Back on the leash. We don't want her to bite him. Put her back on the... Okay. Ready?